In this video, we'll show you how to unbox your Thermo Scientific Multidrop PicoT SF Digital Reagent Dispenser and install the Thermo Scientific Multidrop PicolT software. The shipping box weighs approximately 45 pounds or 20 kilograms and requires 1 or 2 people to safely lift it onto the laboratory bench. Before unboxing, check that the instrument is properly positioned on a stable surface. Start by cutting through the packing tape and opening the top of the box. Take out the accessory bag and place it on the bench. Remove the protective packaging materials from the top of the instrument transport box. Lift the carbon box, including the instrument, and place it on the bench. Open the instrument carbon box and take the instrument out. Remove the plastic bag covering the instrument. Next, open the accessory bag, which includes the power and USB cable and quick setup guide. Remove the transportation lock on the plate carriage, which protects the instrument during transport. Place your hand underneath the plate carriage and unscrew the black screw to separate the transportation lock parts from the plate carriage. Then, remove the transportation lock pieces. Attach the transportation lock parts and place them on the back of the unit. You can use the lock again if the unit needs to be shipped out. Connect the power supply cable to the power supply connector and plug in the instrument. And attach the power supply cable to the power inlet. Then, connect the USB cable to the dispenser and PC. After everything is unboxed and all cables are connected, you can download the software. To download the Multidrop PicoT software, go to thermofisher.com/PicoT software. Download the installer file. Then, unzip the file and run the installer to install the software and driver. After installation is finished, switch the instrument on. Then, open the Multidrop PicoT software. The dispenser is ready to run a ready-made protocol or program a new one. This concludes our review of how to unbox your Multidrop PicoT SF Digital Reagent Dispenser and install the Multidrop PicoT software. For more information, visit thermofisher.com/digital dispenser.